Hey, Steve Champagne here with Profile Technologies. In today's sneak peek video, I want to reveal to you our video sales letter system. So without further ado, let's get into this presentation today or this demo video today. So let's go picture in picture. And you've probably have seen this website with all the demo videos that we've been sending you, right? And so we've been using this video sales letter system to keep track of who has actually been watching our videos. Now, currently, if we're watching this video, this is sitting in another system, but we're about ready to take what we've developed and move it into CloudLeadz here in the next week or so. And we're looking to have it part of our Q1 release. So without further ado, let's get into the quick demo I want to share with you today. So you'll have this inside of CloudLeadz where it says presentation funnels, and you'll have a list of all your funnels, how many invites, views, leads, what is the homepage funnel. It's very, very, very simple. As you can see, here's our CloudLeadz funnels, and then I get a bunch of other little funnels I have in here right now that are part of my digital agency. So if I want to edit this, all I would have to do is go over here to click edit. If I want to clone it, I would click this. If I want to push it to the home route, that it's there. And then what this does is it allows me to download a one-page HTML file that allows me to put my funnel on any domain, okay? So you have a XYZ domain, like case in point, this coffee shop Wi-Fi is sitting on coffeeshopwifi.info, okay? And it's a one-page I have that completely frames the system. Now, in the emails that you've been getting from me, you've been getting this code, right? This unique invitation code. Very powerful. It lets me know, and I'm going to show you here when we do a demo of exactly what happens and transpires when that code is filled in. Additionally, what we're going to have is once it's in CloudLeadz, we'll have a direct link into the video presentation, so you don't have to go through that squeeze page, if you will. So we've wanted to make this a very simple, straightforward system so you didn't need to know any HTML. There's a lot of CMS systems out there. There's ClickFunnels, Instapages. I mean, there's so many, it's mind-boggling. At the end of the day, while you don't need to know, quote, HTML, you still need to know how to do layout, color schemes, stuff like that. So what I'm seeing is a lot of folks are actually hiring people to actually use these CMSs that they're paying anywhere from $97 a month to $300 a month to host their websites. I want to take that away from you, okay? At the end of the day, I find video is a great way to tell a story. If you couldn't tell, everything I've done with you has been email and video, right? I believe in that. So what you would want to do is come over here, and I'm just going to edit this one to show you how simple the back end we've made it, is that we made it just basically fill in the blanks kind of thing. Nothing to design. All you have to do is fill in the blanks and you're good to go. You give your basic information, your fave icon. If you want to do, Facebook tracking pixels, add them here, add them here. You're going to come in here, select a template. We currently have one template. Over the course of 2019, we're probably going to put in another, 2 or 3 templates in here for you that have, up to 16 different color schemes to work with. Currently, this is the one I have, so you simply just need to, select. If I want to change that to that particular one, that's all I have to do is hit select, and then you have your squeeze page, and you fill in this information. What's the page title, page description? Do you want to encourage or not encourage? Indexing. What's the pre-head? What's the headline? What's the subhead? What's on the button? Are you using a YouTube video, a Vimeo video, or you're using an image? A lot of my demo videos I've done, I didn't do a quick video for you. All I did is use the built-in default image for that. Additionally, when we're ready to release this to you, you'll actually be able to collect inbound information. So if you don't have that person, and let's say you do want to do an inbound campaign with paid advertisement, you can click on this button right here and fill out in this form, select what method you want to deliver the code to them, and then select what information you want to gather. So we are going to be giving you the flexibility if you want to do paid traffic and drive people to this particular funnel, you will be able to do it. On the presentation page, it's quite simple. All you have to do is determine whether or not you want to, when they put in that code or click that link from an email, Do they go to your video page where you're actually watching this video? Okay, it looks just like this. Or you drive them out to another page. Maybe you are using our squeeze page, but maybe you want to drive them out to ClickFunnels page or some other website. Maybe it's a WordPress site you want to do. You can do that simply by coming up here, select that, put the URL in, and you're good to go. If you want to use us, all you have to do is come in and fill out the information. Do you want to discourage? In your pre-head, you can use some tokens if you want to, tokenize the information. Again, where you're hosting a video at YouTube or Vimeo, just copy and paste the URL in. What's the button text? We have button reveal here. When does that button reveal? It does reveal. In this particular, it's set at 23 minutes and 30 seconds. Just kind of put it in when you figure that it is. And then what is the button action? What you've been getting from me is the form. If you've noticed that the vast majority of the information in the form is filled, because since you're in our database, we didn't want you to have to go and fill out all that information. It was in there. Generally, the missing pieces of information that we may not have on you could be, a mobile telephone number, and then you're telling us whether or not what day or time you want to come to. Now, you also have the ability to completely redirect out to another URL. In this case, this goes out to our shopping cart. Maybe you want to drive it out to our shopping cart, or if you just want to collect a lead, you do here and you put in your button text, and it is that simple. You put in your contact information right here, right? And then we've even given you legal pages. And you could either use our standard legal pages, or you could link out to your own ones right here by putting in your links and which ones you want. Again, our goal was to make this a very simple, straightforward place where you could come and create these video sales letter funnels very easily. You choose which one of these you want, and then you just hit save. Okay? That's it. Now, when we go to show you how this works, let's bring up this funnel. All right, I'll just open it up in another tab. I'm going to go and grab a code to show you how it works. And I'll get my testing here, where I've been doing some testing. And let's just reset this so I can get some leads. Get a token. There's one right there. I'm just going to copy that, and then we'll go over to this page. And so when you put the code in, and this is what you've been doing, I want to show you what happens with this, okay? There's a video.
That's pretty cool. So
there we are. This is one of my older videos I have in here. As you noticed, as you've probably seen in all the videos that you've watched me, I've had your name up here, right? I've had your company name up here. In this system, you're going to be able to even do personalized videos for your prospects. I see this when you're getting further down the road and you want to do, say, a web audit. You're talking to someone who's not in your geographical area. You'll be able to do a web audit create a video web audit of what you want to talk to them about their web presence, or their SEO, their social media, whatever it is, and put it up on either Vimeo or put it up on YouTube, and then you can take that link and put it in there. And so what will happen is if the system sees that you have a video for them, it will play that video versus the default video that you have set up on the funnel. So this is all coming in at the Q1 release of the system. I want to show it to you. And so let me go back into full screen here. And so along with getting notification inside of CloudLeadz that someone's watching your presentation, you're also going to be able to set up text notifications to get these texts that come in. And I'm just going to show you this. And I'm opening up this text. And hopefully, when I bring this to this, you can see that I got this text, OBM Cloud. And when I click on it, I get this nice, tells me how many times they've watched it, what funnel they're in, and then I got to click the call right here. That all I have to do is click on the call button, and now I can make a quick call. So in real time, you're going to know who your best prospects are when they're watching the videos through our video sales letter system. So if you haven't scheduled a brief 15-20 minute call with me, Zoom call with me, where I share with you, take you a complete walk through the system, answer any and all your questions. I want to show you some of the cool stuff that's coming in 2019 that's really going to take CloudLeadz to the whole next level. Go ahead, click the button just below, complete the short form, and let's get on a Zoom call, okay? I want to thank you for the time you've given me, and you make it a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.